There are only three things an investor can really know about your startup, and most founders pitch them in the wrong order. No AI will catch this. I'm Tony Materna, 32 years pitching investors. The three things they can know: your market, your product or service, and your team. Everything else is speculation. Here's the order they belong in your deck. This is another pro tip. Market first. A large, fast-growing market means opportunity everywhere. It's brutal to get established in a flat or shrinking one. The faster the market grows, the easier you grow. Your product or service goes in second. And remember, your proposed product or service is just your first good idea. Odds are you'll change it soon after you touch the market. So lead with a solid idea for going after that market, not a perfect one. And team last, but never least. Plenty of investors bet on the jockey, not the horse. I've heard them say, I don't fully understand their market or the product, but that team, they'll figure it out. So put your team right before they ask. That's the slide where you ask for the money. That way, who they're investing in is fresh in their mind. Got enough people and enough to say? Give them 2 slides. No AI will tell you this. No AI ever pitched an investor on the team it assembled because no AI has ever assembled one. For more pro tips like this, see me at pitchdeckteardown.com.